Hello and welcome! Today I'll show you how to crochet different kinds of stitches in turning rows. We'll go over how to crochet single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet stitches. To start, we'll make a chain of foundation stitches. After that, make one chain. This will be your turning chain for single crochet. Keep going with single crochets until you reach the end of the row. Once you've made the last stitch of the row, chain 1, turn your work, and continue crocheting in the opposite direction. And that's how we keep going. At the end of each row, we chain 1, turn our work, and continue crocheting with single crochet stitches to the end of the row. Let me finish this row and I'll show you how to work turning rows with half double crochets. To start the row, make 2 chains. This will be your turning chain. Then turn your work and continue crocheting with half double crochets. After finishing the last half double crochet in the row, make 2 chain stitches, turn your work and continue crocheting in the opposite direction with half double crochets. By now, you probably understand the basic idea of turning rows. The main thing is knowing how many chains to start with for each kind of stitch. So now we know that for a single crochet we make 1 chain stitch and for a half double crochet we make 2 chain stitches. And I think you can guess that for a double crochet we make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, and turn our work. And we make a double crochet stitch. The rest is the same as we did earlier. Make stitches to the end of the row. Chain 3, turn your work and keep going back the other way. And finally we chain 4 to make a row of triple crochet stitches. As before, after finishing the last stitch, chain 4, turn your work and continue crocheting back the other way. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.